In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Twitter settings to turn off sensitive content. Sensitive content includes adult content, violence, or anything similar, and Twitter usually puts a cover over it. Normally, you'd expect to find this setting in the Twitter app, but for some reason, Twitter doesn't include it in the app. To do this, you'll need to head out of the Twitter app and open any browser. I'll be using Google Chrome. Once you're in the browser, simply go to twitter.com and hit enter. Once you're on the Twitter website, log into your account. Look for the login option at the bottom of the screen. Click on it and log into your account. Now, click on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. You'll see an option at the bottom of the bar that just showed up, saying Settings and Support. Click on Settings. Once you're in the settings, navigate to Privacy and Safety. Here, you'll find an option called Content You See. Click on it, and you'll be brought to a new page. On this page, turn off Display Media that may contain sensitive content. After you've done that, scroll to the bottom of the page where you'll find an option for search settings. Click on it, and two options will come up. You want to turn on Hide Sensitive Content so that you do not see sensitive content when you find it. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you have in the comments section.